Is your bathroom cluttered, cramped, and looking outdated? What if I told you that with a few budget-friendly tricks, you can transform it into a stylish and organized space without spending much? Today, I'll walk you through a simple bathroom makeover and clever storage organization ideas that are affordable, practical, and easy to do yourself. Definition: a bathroom makeover on a budget means refreshing the look and feel of your bathroom using low-cost updates, while storage organization focuses on maximizing space with smart solutions that keep everything neat. Why importance? Bathrooms are small but essential spaces. A cluttered bathroom can feel stressful, while an organized one makes your daily routine easier and more enjoyable. The best part is, you don't need a huge budget to achieve it. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Declutter and remove items you no longer use. 2. Add peel and stick wallpaper or tiles for an instant style upgrade. 3. Install floating shelves above the toilet or beside the mirror for storage. 4. Use baskets and bins under the sink to organize toiletries. 5. Add hooks or over-the-door racks for towels and robes. 6. Finish with affordable decor like plants, candles, or a new shower curtain. Tools explained. You'll need basic tools like a measuring tape, screwdriver, adhesive hooks, peel and stick tiles or wallpaper, storage baskets, and floating shelves. Workflow: start with decluttering. Next, update the surfaces with peel and stick designs. Then install storage solutions like shelves and baskets. Finally, add hooks and decorative touches to bring everything together. Quick tips: use clear bins so you can see what's inside. Label baskets for easy access. Stick to a simple color scheme to make your bathroom look larger and cleaner. Cost comparison: a full professional bathroom renovation can cost thousands, while this budget-friendly makeover with DIY storage solutions can be done for under a few hundred. Your bathroom doesn't have to be expensive to look beautiful and organized. With these budget-friendly updates, you can enjoy a fresh, clutter-free space that feels brand new. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more affordable home makeover ideas.